in this video we are going to talk about the micropigmentation. So we are not going to do the complete hand, we are going to do the patch test only on the thumb finger first. We always recommend our clients to go ahead with the patch test first, because from the patch test we can get to know how the output is going to be come out. So as you can see, the process got started. We are using the same skin tone as per his own skin tone. We are just matching with the same color. So it requires obviously a special skill. Not every artist can able to do this, and many of the clients used to ask us how this process can be happen. We are doing the micropigmentation tattooing, so it's completely advanced than the new technique. All old techniques cannot be compared with this. The ink and then the process which we are using, it's completely different. It's not like tattooing. So I hope you will be understand we are using the complete different inks as vegan certified organic inks, which can gives you the best output. That is the success behind it, as well as the artist how they are proportionating the inks into the skin. As you all know, the skin color micropigmentation treatment is the only best way to treat the vitiligo, to get rid of the permanent white patches. And many of them used to ask this doubt, when we can go ahead with the full process after the patch test has been done. So once the patch test has been done, we require a healing period, of which is 2 to 3 weeks of time duration is the healing period. So once that healing period has been done, we'll ask you to share the pictures via mail or the WhatsApp. So once you got the best output, final output done, then we'll be required you to book an appointment for the full body other places also. In that way, this micropigmentation vitiligo process works. So if you guys have any more doubts, we have displayed our phone number on the screen. You can contact that 9659959593, and we have attached our social media links in the description too. You can go through that. And any more doubts, feel free to contact us and comment us. We are here to help you out. So just enjoy the progress, and at last we have attached the after result also. So do watch this video completely, and I am signing off, Suresh Machu. Don't die nude.